Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold, analyze with the Federal Reserve American Central Bank interest rates released on tomorrow 20th September. So accurate gold analysis with the Fed rate. You can join with my Telegram, link is below. This is the gold daily chart. You can see price has several times reacted to this trend line, and last time already reached to this trend line is the key level 1930-35 level. It has not created lower low, that is the main thing, and going to the upside, but more hopefully that will affect to the break to the upside and retest continue to the upside 1980. That is my technical picture with the tech daily chart goal. So this will happen on Fed interest rate decision September 20th. Price can be break or to the downside. Decision is made on Fed interest rate tomorrow. So let's go to the analyze how Fed interest rate will affect this gold trading. So 20th September you can see Federal Reserve American Central Bank's FOMC meeting will be released tomorrow. So 5.5 is the Fed interest rate and the forecast is also 5.5. So I have moved to the Fed Watch Tool website. This is a September of FOMC meeting forecast 99%. That's the almost 100% market sentiment to the interest rate post on 5.5. So more affected to the interest rate post tomorrow, so that will be affect gold sell off, but not huge sell off because of already market sentiment to this 100% market already sentiment this forecast. But you will remember the last FOMC meeting in July that the Fed has hike interest rate 5.25 to 5.5 25 bps. So September meeting tomorrow that Fed will post in 5.5, that is the interest rate peak between these two meetings, that will be effect to gold depreciated sell off. That is the I am thinking main thing with these fundamental things, economic data that will affect dollar demand dropped and gold break to the upside. So 1980 is the next huge resistance, but I am thinking dollar demand drop tomorrow with the FOMC meeting and gold going to the upside. That's my first option. You can remember this. Now I am moved to the November FOMC meeting, that the 30% forecast to interest rate 20 bps hike. So after FOMC meeting tomorrow, so Powell, Central Bank chairman, has dropped to the will be dropped to the hawkish comments that will affect to the another interest rate hike in November 25 bps, that will affect to the gold drop to the below dollar demand. So remember this what I am saying. November FOMC meeting will affect to 25 bps. This is December FOMC meeting, as it has already 36% forecast. So that will be effect to dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. So FOMC first conference is you will touch what is he Powell saying comments. So that's the two option I am with gold. First option is interest rate pause and good dollar drop to demand and gold buy. Now another option, tomorrow FOMC September meeting, Fed will hike 25 bps rate hike, that will to dollar huge demand and gold drop to the below side 1900 1885 level. That is 25 bps hike tomorrow, September FOMC meeting 20th Wednesday, that will dollar demand and gold drop. That's the other option. So I am telling two option to you that will break to upside and 1980 target, and the below target is 1880. That's the two range. This will be decide with the 20th September Fed rate decision and FOMC Fed's conference, Fed's Powell's comments, and what is they saying. This is the picture that can be reached to two levels 1980 to upside 1885 to below side.